Be honest for a second. Have you ever saved money for months? Only to think, this isn't changing anything. Your life looks the same. Your stress feels the same. And eventually you stop saving. Not because you're careless, but because it feels pointless. That feeling isn't failure. It's feedback. And today, I want to explain why saving feels pointless, why that reaction is completely normal, and how to fix it in a way that actually sticks. Here's the part nobody really talks about. Saving doesn't fail because you're bad with money. It fails because nothing feels different. You save a bit each month, but rent still shows up. Bills still exist. Your job still feels uncertain. One unexpected expense could still knock you off balance. So your brain starts doing emotional math. It thinks, I'm giving things up now, but I don't feel any safer. And when effort doesn't create relief, your brain quietly checks out. That's why most people don't decide to quit saving. They slowly stop caring. They dip into it. They skip a month. They tell themselves they'll restart later. Not because they're irresponsible, but because the system gives them no signal that it's working. Humans don't stick with invisible progress. Here's where things go wrong. Most people are taught that saving is a moral behavior. You should save. Be responsible. Your future self will thank you. But future you is abstract. Stress is immediate. Your brain doesn't care about responsibility. It cares about safety. And if saving doesn't reduce fear now, it feels like sacrifice with no reward. That's why spending wins emotionally. It gives instant relief. Saving, when designed badly, feels like quiet suffering. So people try to fix this the wrong way. They try harder. They restrict more. They rely on discipline. But discipline gets tired. Willpower fades. Emotion takes over. That's not a personal weakness. That's biology. The problem isn't you. The problem is that most people save money without a clear purpose. Let me say this clearly, because this is the turning point. Saving without a purpose feels like punishment. Because what are you actually saving for? Not a defined safety buffer, not a specific outcome, just more money sitting there. That's not motivating. That's meaningless. Money only becomes emotionally powerful when it removes fear. Until then, it's just numbers. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Saving is not about growth. Saving is about relief. Read that again. Saving is not how you get rich. Saving is how you stop panicking. And once you understand that, saving finally starts working. So let's talk about how to fix this properly. Not the influencer way, not the spreadsheet-obsessed way, the human way. Step 1. Stop trying to save a lot. That's where most people fail. Instead, save until you reach one clear outcome: the ability to handle a problem without stress. That might be one unexpected bill, one car repair, one medical expense, one bad month. You don't need 6 months of expenses on day one. You need your first buffer. Because the moment something goes wrong, and you don't panic, your brain learns something important. This works. And once your brain believes that, saving stops feeling pointless. This is where most people quit too early. They stop just before savings becomes emotionally useful. They never experience the relief, so they never trust the process. Another uncomfortable truth: small savings feel useless because they're invisible until the exact moment they matter. And when that moment arrives, those small savings don't feel small anymore. They feel like control. That's why savings isn't for growth. It's for survival. And survival always comes before wealth. Now let's talk about design, because design beats motivation every time. Rule number 1. Your savings must have a name. Not savings. Not emergency fund. Something specific. Peace fund. Sleep at night money. Freedom buffer. When money has a job, your brain respects it. When it doesn't, it gets spent. Rule number 2. Automate it. Not because automation is trendy, but because it removes emotion. If saving depends on motivation, it will fail. Motivation fluctuates. Systems don't. Automation turns saving into background noise. Quiet, consistent, reliable. Rule number 3. Stop checking it constantly. Savings isn't there to entertain you. It's there to protect you. Constant checking makes progress feel slow. Distance makes progress feel inevitable. And here's the final shift. Saving isn't about becoming rich someday. It's about becoming hard to break. When you have a buffer, bad news doesn't destroy you. Unexpected bills don't control you. Decisions become calmer. Risk becomes calculated. That's when investing finally makes sense. That's when growth becomes possible, not before. So if saving has felt pointless to you, you weren't wrong. You were just using the wrong frame. Fix the purpose. Design for relief. Build the buffer first, because once fear is removed, progress finally begins. And that's how saving stops feeling pointless. For good.